always believe that knowing the history of whatever country that you're in is very important. And so today I'm going to the Malta at War Museum and Shelter. So come with me. I'm inside right now. Tickets were 14 euros for one person.
Air raid warning, air raid warning, segnal dall'attacco millairo, segnal dall'attacco millairo, air raid warning, air raid warning.
So those were just the sounds of air raid signals I just played. Okay, I was asked to go down to the shelter because the light goes off automatically at 4. So, and it's 3:37. So, heading down to the shelter now. At this point, I don't even know if I'm following the numbers, but refuge room. private cubicles. Okay, I have to get out of here now. For a minute, I was getting so scared that I was lost in here. But I think I'm done. Yeah, I came in through this place. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry, I'm not doing it again. I'm okay. Okay, heading back just to complete my tour. I just finished at the museum and I think it was really interesting to see everything that happened in Malta and how, this place was a fortress and then it became a country. So there were lots of people that wanted the island. The Germans, Italians, British, everybody just wanted, even French, everybody just wanted the island. They wanted Malta for themselves. So I went to the shelter down there and saw what it was like. I was the only one there and it was just so dark. And just knowing that this is where a portrayal of the things that people went through was a bit difficult for me to watch. But I'm done now and I'm heading out. I'm heading out of Birgu and I'm going to catch the bus. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.